Hello and welcome to my loft.
Today's video is based on a point written to me by a friend. Oil tanker trains had a barrier wagon between the oil wagons and the brake wagon and the engine. Colin even told me that I had on another freight train some flat trucks, wagons, that could be used as a barrier wagon. As you can see on this train, no barrier wagon to protect the driver and the fireman. So I put on 2 barrier wagons, which made the train longer and that much heavier. And you can see here, the train cannot make the hill. Unfortunately, this bridge section has sagged a little bit. This beam was just too thin. I have propped up the sagging bridge, and here I have to put in the much thicker piece of wood, which in the end did actually make the hill go away. I wished only I could work at this speed. A bit of time-lapse photography. And now to see barrier wagon inserted, train stops at the lights. This too fast acceleration I need to look at. And will the train make the hill? Yes. The saggy bridge has been removed and 2 barrier wagons are inserted onto this train. This British Standard 4 should be able to pull 16 wagons, really. This is my other bridge, and you can just see, if you look carefully, it's sagging quite a bit. And when it sags, you can just see how fast the train goes downhill and then slows on the uphill. This is one thing that DC can't sort out. Yep, both freight trains can now make this hill much more easily. Now, I would like to say a big thank you for everyone's lovely comments. Please do subscribe and like if you can, and it'd be really appreciated if you could watch all the way to the end. Here, floor is nicely cleared up, all the wood chips removed. Whoops, 2 nails sticking out. Oh, and they've disappeared. Now really, this is the British Standard Class 4. It actually had a tractive effort of 24,000 pound-feet. And, well, this model should be able to pull this amount of weight. And now to play with my trains. Annoyingly, I have managed to miss the magic 4,000 hours by only 8 hours. So YouTube will not be paying me in the near future. Plenty of fun and long trains now that my hill's removed. Now I've been playing too much on the top level and have ignored the bottom level a little bit. And oh, look at the cobwebs.
Thank you for watching, and I really hope to see you another day. Bye.